Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can get your PAC code from Lycamobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to go to their Lycamobile website, and the thing that you have to make sure is to go to the Lycamobile website according to your region. Right now I'm here in the lycamobile.co.uk. Once we have got this official website out there, why if we have to say that? Because we have to contact their help center for the sake of you to get the PAC code. For that, simply tap on this help option on top. Once you do that, you will find plenty of articles and topics, but we have got nothing to do with that. So we'll scroll down to the bottom till we get this contact us section, which includes this email us option. You can also choose to email them simply by writing down the problem and concern of yours and what you would like the service of theirs for, or you can tap on this call us, I think, which will be the convenient one for you, so you can relay your message. You can tap on this and simply can see that like United Kingdom. That's why I told you to go to the website according to your region, so you can see at what time, at what day they will be available. And you can see to contact customer service, you will have to dial this numbers as it has been shown over here. Simply go ahead, tap on it and dial them, and simply let them know that you would like your PAC or PAC number, aka code. Simply provide them or what you have to do more to get it. That is the way for you to solve it and get the number. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.